Good morning, guys. Today is the last day of the month, April 30th, 2020. Today we will talk about nickel and $5 bill. Before to talk about or to speak about the nickel and $5, we will do a little review. Okay. Do you remember the coins? And do you remember the USA coins? We already checked it up and we will do it a review. USA coins. It means that is United States of America coins we will see today. Okay. We are studying 4 kinds of coins. Okay. First we have the cent. Do you remember that? Cent. You see the cent. Okay. 1 cent is equal to 1 penny. This is a penny. 1 cent. Okay, a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. Okay. Then penny equal 1 cent. Okay, it means that is worth 1 cent. Now we have the second coin. The second coin is this. The second coin is this. Do you remember? This is worth 5 cents, but what is the name of this coin? Remember or no? Let's think. What is nickel. And nickel is worth 5 cents. Okay, now the third coin that we saw was the smallest coin. This is the dime is the smallest size. Look at this. The penny is more bigger than the dime. This is dime. Dime is worth 10 cents. Okay. We have quarter. This is a quarter. Quarter is worth quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay, now you will recognize because on the back of the penny coin we have the Lincoln Memorial in some of these pennies, and in the others we have it the President Lincoln in front. Okay, sometimes they change with the time. And here in nickel we have here, if you wanted to recognize, and in front you have in front you have here the house of Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson was one of the United States presidents. Here in dime In dime we have Franklin Roosevelt in the back of the dime, okay? And here in a quarter we have it here, you see the animal and eagle, and here in the back we have George Washington president's face, okay? Here you have to remember this. Now we have here a bill. Here we have a bill. This bill is $2, you see. And in back you have here one of the presidents too. And these $2 bills, they don't use it, or you cannot find it in the United States, okay? It was at the beginning that they used this. Now here we have it, $1 bill. Look, $1 bill. One. In God we trust. Always they said, in God we trust. And do you remember? In God we trust. Okay, and this is the face of George Washington here. I don't have it, the $5 bill, but here in our book we have it, $5 bill. And this, the face is Abraham Lincoln's president, and you have to recognize this, okay? Now we already review about kinds, USA, United States of America coins, and we have it 4 kinds of coins, 1, 2, 3, 4, that we already studied, and today we will study $5 bill and nickel. After review about the coins, we have to go to page 41 in arithmetic book, and don't forget it to write your name and the date. Okay, now we will see nickel and $5. I already explained you that nickel is worth 5 cents. Okay, and here we have it, $5. $5 or 500 cents. Okay, you have here 3 exercises, 1, 2, 3. In number 1, they say, how much money do you have? Here, this one we are talking about nickel. Don't forget it, nickel and $5. How many nickels I have here? 1. It means that is worth 5 cents. And B, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels. It means that 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, we have it 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 cents. And you have to complete it here, your exercises. Here in number 2, they said use the ruler to draw lines with these lengths. The beginning point is given for you. Okay. Do you remember? I don't know if you find it or no, a ruler with inches and centimeters. Here we have inches. And here they said 3 inches. And we have to start it with the point to the other one. Here is 3 inches. And I have to draw a line. Okay. And you have to continue with B, C, D, and E. And here we have it, find the products. You already know this is a multiplication. 3 times 6, 18, I carry 1. 3 times 3, 9, plus 1, 10, carry 1. 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7. Here is 708. Let's go to page 42. In this page 42 you have review. Put each digit in the proper places. You already know. Here we have it 47. We have ones and tens. It means that it comes here 47. You have to write it in the proper place. Now here in number 5 they said show 4 ways. Do you remember that one? This is only a review. I think that you are very clever to do this kind of exercises. I have to copy only 2 times 4 equal 8, and here 4 times 2 equal 8. Now 4 times I have to add it 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 8. And here 2 times I have to add it 4. 4 plus 4 equal 8. Those are the ways. Now, number 6. Answer these story problems. Do you remember the Tuesday I sent some story problems with multiplication and addition and subtractions, and here you have the same. Okay, you have to write it here, but here we are using measurements. Okay, and here we are talking about quarters. We are already talking about quarters. Here in number 7 you have find the differences. This is a subtraction, and number 8 find the sums. Okay, you have a homework here, and I will send you again extra homework for this kind of exercises. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you Monday, I think so, because tomorrow is Labor Day. Okay, and we have a holiday. You won't have any homework. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Bye, guys.